Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pool lights available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have ranked them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated prices, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. All right, let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Ivato Solar rechargeable floating pool lights. These lights are the most affordable on our list, priced at just $26.99 for a 2-pack, making them an excellent budget option for anyone on a tight budget. The standout feature here is the solar-powered design, which eliminates the need for constant charging or replacing batteries. During the day, the lights charge using solar energy, and at night, they automatically light up, providing up to 11 hours of glow. Design-wise, the Ivato lights feature a floating structure that's both sturdy and lightweight, made with durable ABS material. With an IP67 waterproof rating, these lights are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, including rain and wind, while maintaining stability in the water. Their RGB lighting modes include 9 static colors and 3 dynamic effects, ideal for creating a fun atmosphere for pool parties or romantic evenings. Plus, with a remote control, you can adjust colors, brightness, or set timers easily. The downside is that while they offer good basic functionality, their brightness and overall durability don't quite match up to the premium options on this list. However, for casual use or smaller pools, these lights are a fantastic value proposition. If you're looking for an affordable way to add charm to your pool, this is your go-to option. Coming in at number 4 is the Kitloo Solar rechargeable floating pool lights. Priced at $27.99, these floating lights are just slightly more expensive than the Ivato, but offer a few extra perks that set them apart. First off, the solar-powered design means they can operate indefinitely outdoors after their initial full charge. This feature is incredibly convenient, saving you money and time on battery replacements. The lights are equipped with 30 high-brightness LED beads, delivering a vibrant illumination that's perfect for enhancing your pool's aesthetic. The build quality is impressive, featuring ABS plus PC materials that ensure durability even in harsh weather conditions. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, these lights are resilient against rain and accidental poolside drops. The RGB lighting options are diverse, offering 3 dynamic modes and 9 static colors to suit any occasion, from casual evenings to festive pool parties. Another standout feature is the timer mode, allowing you to set the lights to turn on at night and off in the morning automatically. While the Kitloo lights provide excellent functionality, their brightness still falls short compared to higher-end options. Also, their remote control range isn't as extensive as some of the pricier products. Nonetheless, they're a great mid-range choice for users who want solar-powered convenience and stylish lighting without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the Loftex submersible LED lights. Priced at $43.99, this 4-pack offers a versatile lighting solution for both in-ground and above-ground pools. Unlike the floating designs of our previous entries, these lights are submersible and come equipped with magnets and suction cups, allowing you to mount them securely to virtually any pool surface. This makes them ideal for underwater lighting setups, creating a dramatic and immersive pool ambience. The Loftex lights feature 13 LEDs per unit and offer 16 color-changing modes, controlled via a remote. You'll find both dynamic effects like flashing and fading, as well as static colors, giving you a wide range of customization options. The lights are powered by replaceable batteries, which may be less convenient than solar or rechargeable units, but do provide consistent performance without reliance on sunlight. On the downside, the suction cups may lose grip over time, especially in textured pools, and the battery-powered design means you'll need to keep replacements handy. However, for users who want bright underwater lighting and flexibility in placement, this is a solid mid-tier option that stands out for its versatility. Our runner-up taking the number 2 spot is the homely rechargeable submersible pool lights. Priced at $65.99, this set of 4 lights delivers premium features that justify its higher price point. The most impressive aspect is its rechargeable battery with a 2600 mAh capacity, which charges fully in just 4 hours via USB-C and provides exceptional brightness levels, 5 times brighter than standard battery-operated pool lights. This makes it an excellent choice for users looking for high-impact lighting. The design is thoughtful, including magnets that work on both smooth and uneven surfaces, no suction cups required. This versatility ensures that the lights remain securely mounted regardless of the pool's texture. The RGB functionality offers 16 stable colors, 6 dynamic modes, and adjustable brightness levels, all controlled by a remote with a long-range capability. It even includes timer options to maximize convenience. The build quality is solid, with a waterproof design that withstands underwater use and outdoor conditions. The only drawback is its price, which may be steep for some buyers, especially given there are solar-powered alternatives at lower costs. However, for those who need superior brightness and top-tier build quality, the homely lights are hard to beat. They're perfect for larger pools or anyone who desires vibrant, professional-grade lighting. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Pool Hacker Solar Pool Fountain with 10 color lights. Priced at $69.99, this product is the ultimate premium option for pool lighting, combining stunning illumination with a functional fountain design. The solar-powered fountain is equipped with a high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panel, providing up to 24 hours of operation with its robust 6400 mAh battery. The light-sensing feature activates the lights automatically at dusk, creating an effortless ambiance for your pool. The lighting system is truly remarkable, featuring 32 high-intensity LED beads with 10 single colors and 4 dynamic modes. The curved lampshade diffuses the light evenly, eliminating glare and ensuring a balanced glow. It also includes adjustable brightness settings and timer functions, all controlled via a remote with an impressive range of 98 feet. The dual-head adjustable sprinkler adds a cooling effect to your pool, reducing temperatures by up to 15 degrees Fahrenheit, which is especially useful during hot summer days. While the Pool Hacker fountain lights are unmatched in functionality and design, the higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. That said, for those looking to create a luxurious pool experience with lighting and water effects, this product is worth every penny. It's ideal for large pools, high-end gatherings, or anyone who wants to elevate their outdoor space to the next level. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.